Hello guys, welcome back. Guys, if you notice, there's some serious developments happening in the crypto space right now. From past week or so, Bitcoin was trading at $16,500 and it went all the way up to $21,500. Now, this is some serious pump right there. Now, some of you are calling that this is a bull trap and many of you are telling that this is the start of a bull run. Now, which one is true? So, in case if this is just a bull trap, then first it will liquidate all the shorts and later it will liquidate all the longs. Or what if this is the start of a bull run? In case if this is true, then in this cycle, Bitcoin will easily cross $150,000 or $200,000 per coin or maybe even more. Now, I'm not gonna just sit here and tell you everything in words. I have some proof and statistics which I wanna share with you. So, after seeing that, you can conclude by yourself whether this is a fake breakout or actual start of a bull run. Okay, guys, now I wanna share two different things with you. In the first one, by using some indicators and graph, I'll tell you when the actual bull run might start. And in the second one, there are few conditions that Bitcoin should fulfill in order for BTC to enter the bull cycle. So have some patience and please watch this video till the end or else you won't understand anything. Okay guys, now before we start the video, in case if you're new to this channel, I'm Vasu and you're watching Techno. And guys, please to drop a like on this video because it motivates me in making more videos like this. Okay guys, now without any further ado, let's get straight into the video. Okay guys, now first let's look at the charts and indicators which I was talking about. Okay, now I'm going to explain the Bitcoin chart by using the 5 most popular and powerful indicators. Now, when you bring up the BTC chart on tradingview.com, by default it will be in auto scale. So to analyze the indicators, I'll go with log scale with 1 month graph. So from the beginning to till this date, you can find Bitcoin's price displayed in monthly candles. Okay, I'll just click on this plus option and in the search box, I'll search for BLX, Brave New Coin Liquid Index for Bitcoin. Now I'll go to indicators and I'll search for RSI, Relative Strength Index. Now I'll double click on this line and I'll remove this second option called RSI based moving average. I'll select the color red and I'll increase the thickness. Okay, now this is the RSI indicator. So what do you mean by RSI? Relative Strength Index. RSI is a momentum indicator used in technical analysis. RSI measures the speed and magnitude of a security's recent price changes to evaluate overvalued or undervalued conditions in the price of that security. So here you should just identify two zones, overbought zones and oversold zones. And to make it simple, I'll just mark both overbought zones and oversold zones. So if you look at the past price movements of Bitcoin year and year, in 2013, the first overbought zones was created in the RSI. Second one in 2013, again in 2017, the overbought zone was printed in RSI. And again in March 2021. Now, if you look at the oversold zones, from January 2015 to August 2015, the RSI was in oversold zones. So the oversold zones is the zone where you can invest and hold Bitcoin. Again, the oversold zone formation took place in January 2019 and again now in this bear market. So from 2012 to 2023, there was about 3 oversold zones. Guys, if you carefully observe, after each and every oversold zone, it was followed by a bull run. So this zone here is the best time to buy and hold. Guys, keep this in mind. At the time of this screen recording, Bitcoin was trading around $16,844. So I recorded this 1 week back, but right now when I'm giving voice to this screen recording, Bitcoin has touched $21,661 and is coming above the oversold zone. So remember, you won't get this chance again. Once Bitcoin enters the bull cycle, Bitcoin's price will never come back to this price level. And once the BTC RSI reaches 93 to 96 zone, which is the overbought zone, you can sell everything and exit. Guys, keep watching the video, okay? Don't skip. I'll show you with proof on when the actual bull run might start. Okay, now let's analyze the Bitcoin chart with another technical indicator. Now the next indicator which I'm gonna use is Stochastic RSI. So what is this stochastic RSI? Stochastic RSI is an indicator used in technical analysis that ranges between 0 and 1 and is created by applying the stochastic oscillator formula to a set of relative strength index values rather than to standard price data. Using RSI values within the stochastic formula gives traders an idea of whether the current RSI values is overbought or oversold. A stochastic RSI reading above zero point 0.8 is considered overbought, while a reading below zero point 0.2 is considered oversold. On the 0 to 100 scale, above 80 is overbought and below 20 is oversold. Now, if you look at the past price actions, on September 12th, when the stochastic RSI was about 95, these zones are considered as the overbought zones. And again, in between 2015 and 2017, it was again overbought zones. So when this red line flips above the blue line and comes below this 80 level zone, the momentum turns from bullish to bearish in the price action. So at this specific zone, it is recommended to sell everything and exit. And again in 2019 and 2021, it showed the overbought zones. Now if you come to the bearish side, in 2014, the stochastic RSI was hovering around the 20 zone, and even in 2018, it was below 20, and even now, it is below 20. So, right now, it's the perfect time to enter the market. But at the time of this screen recording, BTC was trading at $16,800, but now it has come up to $21,660. So the spike is growing up again, and by the end of 2023 or mid 2024, you will again see the stochastic RSI go up here. Guys, this indicator can be applied to any crypto asset to find out the overbought zones and the oversold zones. Guys, this zone here is considered as the golden period or the golden zone to make huge returns, and this is also once in a lifetime opportunity. And remember, once the stochastic RSI reaches the 70 to 80 zone, it is advised to exit. Now the next powerful indicator is CMEMA trend bars indicator. Now this indicator is used by all top traders and huge investors all over the world. Okay, now what is this CMEMA trend bar? Chris Moody trend exponential moving average. This code simply changes the bar color based on if the bar is above or below the EMA. Now click on the indicators option, search for CMEMA. Click on this CMEMA trend bars Chris Moody. Guys, this indicator is highly accurate and highly powerful. Now, how to analyze this? Now, if you carefully look at the color of this line, at certain points, the color of the line has changed to red color. So here, when the candles touches this line, the color green flips to red color. And until if the price is below the line stays red color. And this zone is considered as the best time to invest. And as soon as the candles breaks this and goes above the line, then the red color changes to green color. So once it flips, you can roll your portfolio and exit at the top. And also to find out the exit point, you can use the first two indicators which I showed you. And again here, the candles came below the line, and again you had the chance to invest. This was in 2019. And in case if you missed 2015 and 2019, don't worry, you again got chance here. The candles came below this line, and the color of this line changed to red color. So according to me, this is the last golden chance to hold something. And in case if you miss this opportunity, then you won't get another one at this price. And right now when I'm giving voice to the screen recording, I think the candles have broken this line and has gone up. So here in every bull cycle, you can clearly see there's a rhythmic pattern. Pump, bear market, pump, bear market, pump, bear market, pump, bear market. So again the next one is pump, the next bull cycle. Okay, now the next indicator which I'm gonna use is Bitcoin logarithmic rainbow regression band. Okay, now go to the indicators and search for Bitcoin rainbow. So select the indicator called Bitcoin logarithmic regression rainbow. So the indicator will look just like this, but I'll explain using a clear picture. Now in this Bitcoin rainbow price chart on log scale, you'll find various colors like from red color to dark blue color. And when the price is at the red zone, then it is considered as the maximum bubble territory. The next is light red, which is sell, seriously sell. Orange color is FOMO intensifies. Next is this bubble, hold, still cheap, accumulate, buy, and basically a fire sale. So when the price is at the accumulate zone, which is buy, basically a fire sale, you can start investing on Bitcoin. And if the price is at basically a fire sale, then this is an once in a lifetime opportunity, because the market will be bleeding in this zone, and everyone will be in a conclusion that crypto is scam. Now if you look carefully, the price now is way below the blue line. So this kind of opportunity you rarely get. So when the price is at the red zone, it indicates that the market has maxed out and you should exit. Here you can see that the price touched the red zone and later it came down. Even here the price went to the red zone and came down. And here the price never came up to the red zone, but however the appreciation was very good. And again same here, the price never crossed this zone. And these zones here are one of the best zones to invest in Bitcoin. So last three bearish scenarios were considered as the best time to invest in Bitcoin. And this time the price has come out of the rainbow zone because a lot of things, lot of negative things happened in the world in the year 2022. So this bearish zone here, it's the according to me, it's once in a lifetime opportunity. If you miss this, then you won't get this chance again. Okay, now the $1 million question is when will the next bull run start? Guys, I'm not gonna sit here and tell you that bull run will start on this date or it will start on that date. I'm gonna just explain something, okay, and you will get an idea on when it might start. Now I'll go to indicators and I'll search for Bitcoin halving. Bitcoin halving events. This one. Okay, now what do you mean by Bitcoin halving? Guys, Bitcoin halving is one of the most pivotal events on Bitcoin's blockchain is halving, when the supply of new Bitcoins and the reward for mining them is cut in half. Each halving reduces the rate of inflation and as a result pushes the Bitcoin's price upwards. As of 2022, Bitcoin's miners or people who use their computers to participate in Bitcoin's blockchain network as a transaction processor and validator are awarded 6.25 bitcoins for each block they successfully mine. The next halving will occur in 2024 when the block reward will fall to 3.125. Over time, the impact of each halving will diminish as the block reward approaches zero. A Bitcoin halving event occurs when the reward for mining Bitcoin transactions is cut in half. Halving reduces the rate at which new coins are created, and that's lower the available amount of new supply even as the demand increases. Previous halvings have correlated with intense boom and bust cycles that have ended with higher price than before the event. Bitcoin last halved on May 11th, 2020, resulting in a block reward of 6.25 BTC. The final halving will be in 2140 when the number of bitcoins in existence will reach the maximum supply of 21 million. So coming to graph, as soon as we apply the indicator, we could see the previous Bitcoin halvings. The first halving was on November 28, 2012, second halving July 9th, 2016, and third halving May 11th, 2020. So if you consider or look at the previous Bitcoin halvings, just months before the halving date, the price of Bitcoin will start to pump. So approximately we will analyze the or analyze how many months before halving the price starts moving upwards. So if we count the months before halving, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Almost 1 year, 12 months. So exactly 1 year before the first halving date, the price started moving upwards from the bottom. Remember, from the bottom. Now in the second halving, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. 18 months. 18 months before the halving date, the price bottomed out. So if we analyze the third halving, the price was bottomed out on 1st December 2018. So from this, if we count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. 17, 18. So again 18 months approximately. Guys, can you see anything similar here? The second halving and the third halving are almost similar, and it took like 18 months for the BTC price to start moving upwards from the bottom. So the next upcoming halving date for Bitcoin is there's still 512 days remaining. Now the next Bitcoin halving will happen on Friday, May 24th, 2024. So I'll just put a vertical line here on the exact date of halving. Now, if you notice carefully, you'll be left in shock. This gap year is also almost 18 months. BTC bottomed out on 22nd November 2022 at the price of $15,453. So that's the bottom, lowest bottom. So from that day, bottomed out day to till halving date, that's exactly 18 months. Guys, I'm not making up anything, okay? Everything is in front of you. So after that bottom, Bitcoin's price has gone up from $16,800 to $21,600. So from now onwards, you will see the price of Bitcoin go up. Yes, there will be ups and downs, but I don't think again BTC will create a new bottom. So if you ask me, honestly, I think we are witnessing the start of a bull run. Yes, there's still time for bull run, but this is the start. I think the recovery phase. So in 2024 cycle, I strongly believe that BTC will cross $200,000 easily. Guys, I need your help. Okay, please share this video to your friends and family members who are into crypto, and especially share to those people who are telling that crypto is scam. Okay, guys, now what do you think? When will the next bull run start? Let me know your opinion in the comment section down below. And guys, in case if you are not following me on my Telegram channel, then make sure you follow me there. My Telegram channel link will be in the description of this video. Okay guys, I hope this video has helped you. If so, then please do drop a like on this video. And guys, in case if you are new to this channel, consider subscribing. And in case if you're a subscriber, I'll meet you on the next video. Until then, peace.